So you've won a Send Award you've won the Education and Learning Send Award. How do you feel about winning?
That was quite unexpected.
Are you excited to win though?
I don't know.
So you've won it for food technology. So in that lesson, your teacher said that you're really good at all the practical work and the theory work. Is that something you enjoy doing?
I'm not really confident, but I like the practicals.
And what are your favourite lessons at school?
I think music and computer science are the best.
Okay. And how do you think Max is in lessons? Yeah, definitely. Max is he massively underestimates himself in absolutely everything. So he's incredibly bright, incredibly able in all subjects. Tops in all of his lessons, tries really hard. He's so punctual with everything he does. He's so smart. He's so, lovely to the members of staff. We couldn't sing his praises enough, really. You need to sell yourself higher, Max. It's really good.